Hello everyone. I am Avatar AR for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose Tract, the exciting strip at Santana Rose Villa Cornet, developed in 2002. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. With only 21 units, exclusive courtyard and secure entrance, Villa Cornet is both private and part of the urban, bustling Santana Row community. Experience a sense of daily retreat in the luxurious, European-inspired townhomes of Villa Cornet. These charming homes boast modern amenities, including a chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a relaxing soaking tub, a secluded patio, and underground parking with individual entries. Boasting a limited 21 units and exclusive courtyards with secure access, Villa Cornet offers the perfect balance of privacy and connection to the vibrant, bustling community of Santana Row. You'll be just steps away from a variety of dining options, shopping, parks, and activities, making it easy to immerse yourself in all the excitement. Last check, this building also did not have any airbag restrictions, making this one of the only buildings in all of Silicon Valley to offer this type of rental for investors. These luxury penthouse loft range from 736 to 2,368 square feet on 3 levels. Homeowner associate due is around $1,000 per month per different models, and it covers garbage, hot water, insurance, common area, maintenance, common area, roof. Over here is one of floor plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tract is around $1,000 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Santana Rose Villa Cornet. If you're thinking of buying or selling in Villa Cornet community, make sure you call your local experts, Frank Liu team. We have the most up-to-date data, insights, and what we like to call insider information on the market in Villa Cornet. Contact us today to see how we can help.